Today I'm going to be making an all-American grilled cheese sandwich. I'll be using extra sharp cheddar cheese, unsalted butter, and whole wheat bread. I'll be using a fry pan set on medium heat. Slice 2 slices of cheese for your bread. Butter your bread on the outside. The cheese will be on the inside. These are all-American grilled cheese sandwich. Place cheese on the non-buttered side. Place in frying pan on medium heat. Flip grilled cheese sandwich when golden brown on one side. Flip over again to other side. Turn heat down and let cheese melt. Remove grilled cheese sandwich from frying pan and let cool for a minute before cutting. All-American grilled cheese sandwich, served with chips and milk. A lot of people like to have them with tomato soup. This is a great sandwich.